All right, folks. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this is enough explanation for you with the substitute to engage in this mathematical greatness. We have a circle. The first thing I want to do is graph it for you, just so we're all on the same page. Gives us a good visual. Center is 0, 0, and the radius
Mrs. Magruder, could you call extension
is
4101?
5.8, square root of 34. There. Okay, there's my mostly circle. Okay, so if we're going to look at tangent lines to circles, remember a tangent line is a line that touches a shape in exactly one point. So that would be a tangent line. Okay. Do not mix it up with the function tangent in trig. Okay. We're going to determine the coordinates for A, where x equals 3, because there's 3. We have 1, 2. We actually have 2 spots on that circle. Okay, so x is 3. 3 squared plus y squared equals 34. That is 9. Subtract it from both sides. Square root both sides. And remember, it's positive or negative 5. So we have 3, 5, 3, negative 5. Okay. Let A be the point where x equals 3 in the first quadrant. So that's point A. Determine the slope of the radius to point A. So we have a line. What is the slope of that line? Remember your equation? Five minus 0, 3 minus 0, 5/3. Okay, there's the slope. Write the equation of the line tangent to the circle at point A. We've done this before. Do you remember how to calculate the slope? Think about it. If you'll remember, here's your reminder, they have to be perpendicular. So that tangent line is perpendicular to that line, which means the slope for C is the negative reciprocal. You can insert it along with a point. We'll just use 5 equals negative 3/5 times 3 plus B. We solve that equation. We get B is equal to 34/5. So y equals negative 3/5 x plus 34/5. That is the equation of the tangent line to A. Now we're going to let B be the point where x is 3 in the fourth quadrant. Write the equation of the tangent line. So line. We want the equation of that tangent line. Right. So the slope here is -5/3, which means the slope of this is 3/5. Okay. And we have a point as well that we can use. So -5 equals 3/5 times 3 plus b. We're going to get -34/5 is b, and y equals 3/5 x minus 34/5. Okay, that's the tangent to b. The last question, determine the intersection of the two tangent lines. This is E. So graphically, you can see they're going to come together at some point out here. You can extend those, but it's not going to be an exact answer. So if we use these two, we can do it algebraically with a system of equations. We can subtract or add. Take your pick. I'll subtract to get rid of the y's. And solve. So we'll move this over. Let's go up here. And then multiply by -5/6, because that eliminates these two. So we get 68/6, because those cancel. And that is if you reduce it, 34/3. If we plug that back in, we have the x. Do the math, you get 0. So we get, here's our point, 34/3, which is just about 11, 0. So the rest of the hour, please complete the rest of that. It's due tomorrow. Have a nice day.